The Human Rights Day turned into an event to remember Namibia and South Africa's historical past, where the two countries shared trenches during the fight for their freedom and independence. The day, which was jointly organized to remember belated Namibia's independence, placed an emphasis on strengthening the long-standing bilateral cooperation between Namibia and South Africa, which dates back to the years of liberation struggle. South Africa's High Commissioner to Namibia, Tenjiwe Mtintso, said now that the two nations gained their political freedom, there is a need to uphold, protect and promote the values of human rights at all costs.
We hope that we can unite to promote the culture of human rights as part of building a better Namibia, a better South Africa, in a better Africa and in a better world.
Other speakers stressed the importance of upholding the principles of the United Nations Universal Declaration on Human Rights. A youth representative from the International University of Management, Lloyd Sikeva, called on the current crop of leaders to start passing on the baton of leadership to the youth, saying they are ready.
Hence, in this noble quest, and stand for the rights of every human being. For it's not only by doing so that we can secure a brighter future for ourselves and the future generation yet to come. Fellow human beings, if it's necessary, pass on the baton. We are ready.
After narrating and reminding the attendees of the rich history of the liberation struggle, war veteran Ben Amadila advised the youth against taking the leadership by force, but to allow nature to take its course.
It is your duty to work as hard as you can, but don't kick us, the old people. We will find our way out. Don't kick us out because we could be still very useful to your endeavor.
Namibia's Minister of Justice, as well as the Deputy Minister of Justice of South Africa, explained the interpretation around human rights.
Even though from an interpretation perspective, human rights may seem different things to different people, but it can never mean anything else other than having all those rights simply because you are human. They are not meant to be given at will or to be applied selectively. They are entitlements by virtue of our humanity.
That no law may prescribe death as a competent sentence. So it's quite clear, no death penalty. In South Africa, we were a bit more brief, and we simply said everyone has the right to life.
Speakers further stressed the importance of respecting the rights of women, minorities and vulnerable groups, including children and homosexuals. The day was held under the theme Better Human Rights Against Apartheid and Colonialism in South Africa and Namibia, and the promotion and protection of human rights under democracy.